Magandang araw po at magandang gabi sa mga nakakapanood sa gabi at sa lahat po ng naabot ng video nito. Welcome po dito sa AMB o Avoid Mix Videos. Ngayon po ay may bago tayong video mula kay Update PH. No? Ito po ay yung napipintong pagbili po ng panibagong missile system na naman ng Pilipinas dito sa India. Dati po BrahMos, ngayon naman yung tinatawag nilang Akash Missile System. So kung ano po yung Akash Missile System ay panoorin natin dito kay Update PH nang malaman natin at bigyan natin ito ng ating komento. At syempre, kayo din hahanapin ko yan dyan sa inyo sa comment box. Ito po ang video ni Update PH.
According to a report from news agency Reuters, citing unnamed Indian sources, India is expected to sign a $200 million contract with the Philippines this year to supply the Akash missile defense system. This agreement marks the latest step in India's efforts to boost defense exports.
So, ang ganda po ng forma, no? Matikas, ano? Tsaka mukhang, bakit ito kaya ang napupusuan ng Pilipinas? Eh, meron naman tayong parang alok galing Israel na yung tinatawag na Iron Dome, ano? O yung Spider, no? Parang Spider din kasi ito, eh.
And strengthen strategic ties with countries in the Indo-Pacific region. The Akash missile system is a medium-range air defense system developed by India's Defense Research Agency. With an operational range of up to 25 kilometers, the system is designed to provide protection.
So, 25 kilometers, short-range missile lang po ito, no? At mukha ito yung ground-to-surface o air missile. Mukhang ito ay isang defense system, no? Hindi attack.
Against aerial threats such as fighter jets, helicopters, drones, and cruise missiles. One Akash battery consists
So, kung ito ay tumitira ng isang jet helicopter, so defense and attack din pala siya. Sige po.
of 4 launcher units, each capable of firing 3 missiles simultaneously. Although there is no official information regarding the number of batteries the Philippines will acquire, sources cited by Reuters stated that Manila has informed New Delhi of its intent to place an order in the fiscal year starting in April. The 3 sources who spoke to Reuters declined to be named as the matter is considered sensitive. Previously, in 2023, India exported the Akash missile system to Armenia in a $230 million deal. According to the same sources,
So, ang Armenia, bumili rin pala nito sa India, no? So, ngayon bibili tayo nito sa India, no? At alam ko, yung BrahMos natin, dadagdagan pa rin natin. So, kaya kinuha ni President Marcos yung pambili ng missile na yan, no? $1 million po ang halaga niya.
the deal with the Philippines is expected to be larger than the Armenian contract, reflecting the increasing interest of other nations in India's defense.
Grabe, no? Mas marami at mas malaking budget natin kaysa sa budget ng Armenia para sa Akash na yan, no? Akash missile.
Systems. However, further details regarding the number of missiles and supporting systems, including radars, have not been disclosed. Indian company Bharat Dynamics Limited, BARA, NS, the manufacturer of these missiles, participated in last year's Asian Defense and Security Exhibition, ADASH, in Manila. The company's presence at the exhibition further fueled speculation that negotiations with the Philippines had been ongoing for some time. Neither India's Ministry of Defense nor Bharat Dynamics Limited has issued an official response regarding the report. On the Philippine side, Department of National Defense, DND, spokesperson Arsenio Andalong declined to comment specifically on the deal or procurement plans. However, he acknowledged that the Philippine Armed Forces had expressed a need for enhanced air defense capabilities. If the agreement materializes, it will mark the second major defense purchase by the Philippines from India after Manila signed a $375 million contract in 2022 to acquire the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile. This deal underscores the growing defense cooperation between the two nations in addressing regional security.
So, makikita nyo doon, sinasalubong niya yung mga papasok na threat. Siguro kasama ni missile, helicopters, jet. So, same to, no? Attack and defense.
Challenges. The Philippines' acquisition of the Akash missile system comes amid rising tensions between Manila and Beijing over territorial disputes in the South China Sea. This strategically vital waterway has been a source of conflict between the two nations, with several incidents involving Philippine and Chinese vessels in recent years. India, despite being geographically distant from the South China Sea, has a strategic interest in the region, particularly in maintaining maritime stability and counterbalancing China's growing influence. By strengthening defense ties with the Philippines and other countries in the region, India aims to expand its defense diplomacy while boosting its domestic defense industry. As the world's largest arms importer, India is now working to reduce its dependence on foreign weapons by enhancing domestic production and promoting defense exports. The export of the Akash and BrahMos missile systems to the Philippines aligns with this strategy and signals increasing global confidence in India's defense technology. With the agreement expected to be signed this year, defense relations between India and the Philippines are set to deepen further. In addition to bolstering the Philippines' air defense capabilities, this deal will also provide India with strategic advantages in establishing itself as a key defense supplier in the Asia-Pacific region. Furthermore, it is expected that this agreement could pave the way for additional defense collaborations between the two countries, including joint military exercises, training programs, and potential future procurements of advanced weaponry. India's defense exports have been on an upward trajectory, with New Delhi actively promoting indigenous military technologies to friendly nations. The Akash missile deal with the Philippines, if finalized, could serve as a significant milestone in India's broader ambition to become a leading defense exporter on the global stage. Experts suggest that
So, itong Akash na to, parang meron na siyang kasamang isang system siya. So, meron itong radar system o yung tinatawag na lang control system para ma-maximize mo yung gamit nitong Akash missile. Compare dun sa binili natin dati, yung BrahMos, parang kulang pa no? Bumili tayo ng missile at saka launcher, pero hindi natin, parang wala siya ata nga yung control o radar system na magma-maximize dun sa gamit ng missile ng BrahMos. Compare dito, pag binili mo ito, mukhang andyan na rin yung kanyang yung control system dyan sa truck na yan.
this transaction could encourage other Southeast Asian nations to consider Indian-made defense systems as viable alternatives to Western or Chinese military equipment, thereby diversifying their defense procurement options. As regional security dynamics continue to evolve, both India and the Philippines are likely to find common ground in fostering a long-term strategic partnership. This deal, therefore, represents more than just a commercial transaction. It is a reflection of shared geopolitical interests and a mutual commitment to maintaining peace and stability in the Indo-Pacific region.
Sa tingin ko, sabi nila kasi low cost daw ito compare dun sa mga US missile. Sana nga, at kung low cost to, makabili tayo ng marami. At kung effective, air-to-air defense, maganda, Mas mapoproteksyon natin yung ating bansa. At least, dati nga daw, sabi nila, tirador lang daw, yung gamit ng Pilipinas, nung lumaban tayo, itak. Pero iba ngayon, missile era na ngayon. Dapat meron tayo niyan, sumabay tayo. Habang wala pa yung mga kalaban, dapat sa lalong madaling panahon meron tayo niyan. Pero ano naman kaya yung perang ginagastos dyan? Utang ba yan? o sa mga Marcos Gold ba yung gagaling yan? Yung mga isang question. Saan ba galing yung mga binabayad dyan? Kung wala sana yung threat na ganyan, may tutulong sana yan, yung pambili dyan, doon na lang sa mga mahihirap nating kababayan. No? Pero minsan naisip ko, parang nakakapagpasalamat din at merong yung may nagtetret sa atin nakagaya ng Chinese. Kasi kung wala yan, pabayaan ngayon yung gobyerno natin, hindi tayo bibili ng ganyan. Dahil sa kanila, no, sa threat nila, pananakot, napipilitan tayong palakasin yung ating puwersa, no? Yun nga nakakaano doon, nakakasamaan loob, no? Kung wala pang threat, hindi natin mapapalakas yung puwersa natin. At least, nung nagkaroon ng threat, lumakas yung Philippine Coast Guard, lumakas yung Philippine Navy, yung Air Defense natin, Air Force, lumakas, maging yung Army, no? Nagkakaroon tayo ng pagbili ng maraming, sana dito na lang sa Pilipinas ginagawa, kahit yung missile, magkontrata sila rito ng isang expert dyan, tapos dito na lang gawin sa Pilipinas, baka mas mura. So, yun lang po, no? At ako yung natutuwa kung makabili tayo, no? At mapapalakas natin yung ating air defense. Yun lang po, at sinilip lang natin yung tungkol dito sa Akash missile na to, kung ano ba itsura nito, maganda ba to, effective ba to, paano ba to nag-work, sinilip lang naman natin dito mula sa video ni Update PH. Kung kayo po ay magko-comment, comment po tayo dyan sa ating comment box. At ito po ang ating reaction. So, para sa akin, okay yan. At maganda po yung missile na magkaroon tayo na. Hanggang sa muli po, ito po ang Avoy Mix Videos.